Signs of a U.S. cattle herd rebuilding. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Your World in Agriculture for March 25th, 2025. Thanks to our sponsor, Imogene Ingredients. Tuesday's cattle market, live cattle futures were down $1.50 per hundredweight. Feeder cattle fell $2.50 per hundredweight. The losses were extended from Monday's losses. Livestock Marketing Information Center at Texas A&M showing Friday's cattle on feed had some large but not unexpected swings compared to a year ago. Placements in February of 2025 were 17.8% or 336,000 head smaller than those of February 2024. It was the smallest placements for any month since June of 2016 and the smallest for a February since 2015. Last year's placements were exceptionally large, making this year's placements look steep. CME feeder cattle index numbers in the report fell 39% compared to last year, combined with fewer cattle from Mexico impacting southern feedlots, and the placements were lower. The small placements may indicate herd rebuilding, given that they were the fewest since the last herd rebuilding in 2015. Experts will watch the number of heifers on feed in next month's report for more evidence. Feedlot marketings on Friday's report fell 9% below last month. Combined marketings and placements leave cattle on feed at 2.2% smaller than a year ago. That's certainly moving total supplies more in line with the smaller cow herd, according to Texas A&M's cattle experts. This week's fed cattle prices continuing to fall. Last week's prices were higher. Last week, some cash cattle traded at $213 on Friday compared to $210 on Thursday. Higher prices came in the face of beef production over the last 4 weeks, almost the same as a year ago. Wholesale prices for ribeyes and loin strips are moving higher as the market begins to price in more spring grilling and the spring grilling season and less winter season cuts. Cattle, hog, and poultry producers, listen up. If your livestock have scours, Imogene Ingredients sell a product called Pharmatan that stabilizes the digestive process. It can save your animal, increase immunity levels, and improve general health. Decrease your scour cases on your farm today by contacting Imogene Ingredients at 515-745-1639. Visit ImogeneIngredients.com and be sure to subscribe and like Your World in Agriculture for more farm content. I'm Mike McGinnis. Now this.
Return on investment with a product like Pharmatan is very good. Instead of having one product that does one thing, you have one product that does a multitude of different things. You can look at it from the standpoint of reducing scours. You can look at it from the standpoint of producing a better gut lining. So it isn't just a matter of we are solving one problem, but we're also enhancing health that reflects out